In a world where countless diets and weight loss solutions promise magical transformations, the quest for a genuinely effective and sustainable solution can be overwhelming. Enter Ozempic, a revolutionary medication that has been making waves for its remarkable ability to aid in weight loss. But how does Ozempic work its magic? Join us as we unravel the science behind Ozempic's mechanism and its incredible potential to change lives. The science behind Ozempic's mechanism. At the heart of Ozempic's success lies its unique mechanism of action. Semaglutide, the hero ingredient, belongs to a class of medications known as GLP-1 receptor agonists. GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide 1, is a hormone that plays a crucial role in regulating insulin secretion, blood sugar levels, and appetite control. Ozempic mimics the action of GLP-1, leading to a cascade of positive effects. Reduced appetite. Ozempic slows down the emptying of the stomach and promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the urge to overeat. This appetite-suppressing effect can be a game-changer for those struggling with emotional or overeating. Blood sugar control. By enhancing insulin secretion and reducing glucagon production, Ozempic helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes, where obesity and diabetes often go hand in hand. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Brain-body connection. Ozempic's influence extends to the brain, where it affects the areas responsible for hunger and satiety signals. This rewiring of the brain's response to food can lead to healthier eating habits and improved portion control. Fat metabolism. Semaglutide has been shown to increase the breakdown of stored fat in the body. This means not only are you consuming fewer calories, but your body is also tapping into its fat reserves for energy, leading to gradual and consistent weight loss. One of the most inspiring aspects of Ozempic's journey is the countless success stories that have emerged. People from all walks of life have shared their transformations, emphasizing the impact that this medication has had on their weight loss journey. From shedding stubborn pounds to regaining control over their eating habits, these stories serve as a testament to the power of Ozempic. Before embarking on any new health regimen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. Ozempic may not be suitable for everyone, and a medical expert can guide you through the process, ensuring it aligns with your individual health needs and goals. In a world inundated with weight loss solutions, Ozempic stands out as a beacon of hope for those seeking a scientifically backed approach to shedding pounds and regaining control over their health. By leveraging the body's natural mechanisms, Ozempic addresses the underlying factors contributing to obesity and offers a sustainable path to weight loss. If you're ready to embrace a transformation that goes beyond the superficial, Ozempic might just be your key to a healthier, happier you.